Close your eyes for a second. It's the year 2050. You wake up not to an alarm clock, but to an AI assistant that knows your mood, your sleep cycle, and your breakfast cravings. Outside your window, drones buzz through the sky, delivering packages. Autonomous taxis glide silently along the streets. The air feels cleaner because climate engineers have reversed decades of pollution. Your neighbor? He doesn't work in an office anymore. He designs virtual worlds for a living. But here's the real question. What will you be doing in this future world? We're not talking about doctors, engineers, or teachers. Today, we'll explore 10 future jobs of 2050 that nobody talks about, but may completely change your life. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Number 1, AI personality designer. Let's start with a strange one. AI personality designers. Think about how you talk to Alexa or Siri today. Helpful? Yes. But do they feel truly human? Not really. By 2050, AI will be everywhere, in your home, your car, your workplace, and people will want AIs that fit their personalities. That's where AI personality designers come in. These experts will craft unique AI personalities, funny, calm, empathetic, even sarcastic if that's what you prefer. Imagine your AI teacher being patient and supportive, while your AI gym coach is tough and motivational. Companies will hire these designers the way they hire brand experts today. The tone of an AI assistant could be as important as a logo. It's marketing meets psychology meets programming. And it's going to be huge. In fact, Google and OpenAI are already experimenting with customizable AI voices. By 2050, this could be mainstream job. Number 2, digital identity protector. In 2050, your identity won't just be your face or your passport. It'll be your digital footprint, your online avatars, your biometric data, even your AI clones. But imagine hackers stealing not just your money, but your digital twin. Scary, right? That's where digital identity protectors come in. They'll act like futuristic bodyguards for your online self. Their job is to prevent data theft, deepfake scams, and AI impersonation. They'll use advanced cybersecurity, quantum encryption, and AI monitoring systems to keep your online presence safe. Think of them like lawyers, detectives, and hackers, all rolled into one. Today, identity theft costs billions of dollars every year. By 2050, protecting digital selves could be one of the highest-paying industries. Number 3, climate reversal specialist. Now let's step into the biggest challenge of our century, climate change. By 2050, new careers will rise that focus not just on preventing damage, but reversing it. Meet the climate reversal specialists. These professionals will refreeze glaciers using geoengineering, restore coral reefs with biotechnology, and filter carbon dioxide directly out of the atmosphere. Imagine scientists releasing microscopic robots into the ocean to clean plastics, or drones seeding clouds to bring rain to drought regions. In many ways, they'll be Earth's repair team, fixing the mistakes of the past century. And here's the wild part. Students entering environmental science today might end up with these exact jobs in 20 years. Number 4, space tourism guide. Picture this. It's 2050. Instead of going to Italy for your honeymoon, you book a vacation in orbit. Your hotel? A luxury space station circling Earth every 90 minutes. But how do you navigate zero gravity? How do you eat, sleep, or even go to the bathroom? That's where space tourism guides step in. They'll be part astronaut, part tour guide, part safety officer. These professionals will prepare travelers for life in space. They'll help with zero-gravity training, safety drills, and of course, snapping the perfect selfie with Earth glowing blue and white behind you. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Axiom Space are already laying the foundation. By 2050, this could be as common as cruise ship staff today. Number 5, memory surgeon. Here's where things get wild. Neuroscience. By 2050, memory editing may not be science fiction anymore. Imagine being able to erase traumatic experiences or relive your happiest memories in perfect clarity. Memory surgeons will specialize in altering human memories. They could help soldiers with PTSD, patients with Alzheimer's, or even individuals who want to forget a painful breakup. But it won't stop at healing. People may want custom upgrades, implanting knowledge, boosting creativity, or even inserting simulated experiences. It's a job that sounds like Black Mirror, but neuroscience labs today are already experimenting with memory manipulation in animals. The ethical debates will be massive, but the job itself may be very real. Number 6. Robot mediator. By 2050, humans won't just work with robots, we'll depend on them. But what happens when your AI coworker makes a mistake? Or when two autonomous machines disagree on how to solve a task? That's when robot mediators will step in. They'll be part lawyer, part psychologist, and part engineer. Their role will be to settle disputes, translate human values into AI logic, and maintain harmony in workplaces where humans and robots collaborate. Think of them as HR managers of the future, but their employees won't always be human. Number 7. Virtual habitat designer. Imagine coming home after a long day, putting on lightweight AR glasses, and stepping into a world of your choice, a beach in Hawaii, a cyberpunk city, or even your dream house. By 2050, millions will spend most of their daily lives in virtual environments. And who will build these worlds? Virtual habitat designers. They'll be the architects of the Metaverse. From designing virtual offices for global meetings to creating realistic fantasy game worlds, their job will be to make virtual spaces feel just as real as physical ones. Interior designers today focus on walls and furniture. These future designers will work with algorithms, VR landscapes, and emotional psychology, making sure your virtual home feels truly like you. Number 8. Genetic Diversity Officer. Genetic engineering is advancing at a speed that's both exciting and terrifying. By 2050, parents may be able to choose traits for their children: intelligence, height, even resistance to diseases. But who ensures that society doesn't lose diversity? Enter the Genetic Diversity Officer. Their role will be to set ethical boundaries, prevent genetic inequality, and ensure humanity doesn't fall into a dystopia where only the rich can afford designer babies. They'll be both regulators and ethicists, making sure that our future is inclusive, not divided by DNA. Number 9. Drone Traffic Controller. Look up at the sky in 2050. Instead of birds, you might see hundreds of drones delivering food, transporting medicine, even carrying passengers. Managing this chaos will require a new kind of job: drone traffic controllers. Like today's air traffic controllers, they'll oversee complex systems of autonomous vehicles. They'll monitor thousands of drones, prevent collisions, and make sure life-saving deliveries reach their destinations safely. Cities will depend on them just as much as they depend on traffic police today. And number 10. Human-AI Relationship Counselor. And finally, the strangest job of them all. By 2050, people won't just use AI, they'll form emotional connections with them. Some will treat AI as best friends, others might see them as partners, and yes, some might even fall in love. That's where human-AI relationship counselors step in. They'll guide individuals and couples through the complexities of bonding with artificial beings. What does it mean to love something that isn't human? How do you deal with jealousy when your partner spends more time with an AI companion? It may sound bizarre, but Japan and the US already have people forming emotional relationships with AI chatbots today. By 2050, this could be one of the most in-demand counseling professions. So, when you picture your career in 2050, don't just imagine today's jobs. The future will be full of roles we can barely dream of, from designing AI personalities to repairing Earth to guiding humanity into space. Every generation has its revolution: the industrial age, the information age, and now the age of imagination. The jobs of tomorrow won't just be about survival. They'll be about redefining what it means to be human. The question is, which of these jobs will be yours? This is not science fiction. This is the near future, and it's coming faster than we think. Subscribe for more future-related videos.